swiftly on.
And welcome back to another tutorial. So we're looking at another request, and this is how to draw a whale. So if you're interested in finding out how to draw a whale, stick around. Let's get crafting. Okay, so let's have a look at drawing a whale. So the first way we're going to do it, it's going to be slightly more cartoony and hopefully slightly easier. We're going to start with an egg shape, so an oval. This oval needs to be as big as you want the main part of the whale's body to be. So if you're drawing a small one, do a small one. If you're drawing a big one, draw a big one. Okay, so that's going to be how we start. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to start on this line here, and we're going to follow it, and then we're just going to come off a little bit at the top and come down, so swoop down and then flick up a little bit like that. So off the top, down, and flick up a bit. So that's going to be where our tail is going to be. On the bottom, we're going to do a similar thing. So we'll just put that line in so we can see it a little bit better. So we're going to follow this down and then we're going to go up like that, but we're not going to join that up to the tail. This line here, so we're going to join that up to there, like that. So now what we need to do is we're going to put where our mouth's going to be. So somewhere here, so not too high, not too low, somewhere about here. And to put our mouth in, we're going to go like that. So we're going to start by going down, and then we're going to flick up like that. Flick down, and then flick up. And that's going to be where our mouth is. And at the top, we're going to do that, and then we're going to draw a little circle, half circle around it, semicircle, to make it look like he's smiling. On the end here, where it meets the oval that we drew, we're going to draw a little bit of a lip on it like that. And the same on the bottom, we're going to draw a little bit of a lip before we join into that. Okay, now so from here on the cheek, where the edge of our smile is, we're going to draw a line, a curved line, that's going to come down, up and meet the tail. So we're going to start here, and we're going to go like this. Oh, so we can curve it a bit more than that actually. And we're going to go up to where the tail is, and that's going to meet the tail like that. Up, and it's going to meet the tail like that. And this one, I'm going to make sure it's meeting it nicely. I'm going to change that line there because I wasn't happy with that. Rub that bit out, because that's going to meet where our tail's going to be. This line here is the under bit of the belly, so the underside of the belly. So I'm just going to go over that line like that and get rid of those because we don't need them anymore. That's going to be the underside of our belly, like so. So now we need to do a fin. So the fin is going to be just above this line here. So let me just do that, because that wasn't quite what I wanted to do it again. It needs to be slightly lower, but sometimes you can't tell until you sort of take a step back and look at it all. So our fin is going to be starting about here. So not right near the face, not really near the tail, sort of in the middle of the body, and we're going to draw a curve like that that comes off the body and then flicks. So curve and a flick. And then from here, we're going to aim to go from here to here, and we're going to make it like a leaf shape basically. So we're going to start here, and we're going to go like that. So we've made it look pretty much like a leaf, like so. Pretty happy with that. Maybe could have been slightly bigger. I'm not too worried about that. Still very happy with it. And there we go. So that should be going up to where the cheek is, like that. And now we need to put an eye on it. So the eye is going to be just above the cheek. We're going to put it here. Just going to be a circle. And above the eye, we're going to put a little bit of an eyebrow. Just so we can see that they're a bit happy. And then above that, we're going to have the jet of water coming out of where the blowhole would be. So we draw a little circle so I know where I want the blowhole. And I'm going to start by drawing my jet going up. And then at the top, I'm going to do a flick. And I'm going to do that. And do the same on both sides. And then 2 more on the top. This is going to be where our water is coming out, like that. And I'm going to draw a couple of little droplets as well coming off it. There we go, that's going to be that. And we still need to do our other fin. So our other fin is going to be below the mouth, about here, and you only see a little bit of it. So you're basically just going to do a little bit of a curved triangle like that, and that's going to be our other fin. Super easy, that bit. Now the tail, what we do is we don't start from the top of here, we start a little bit lower, and all we're going to do is curve out and then go the other way. So curve and go the other way, and then we come back on ourselves into the middle like that. So again, it's kind of like a leaf shape again. And the other side, we're going to try and do as symmetrical as we can. I'd like to make them as close to the same as possible. And then on there we're going to draw a little line like that. We're going to draw one there. And we're also going to draw one like that. Good stuff. We also need one on our fin there. And on this fin. And we're just going to pop one just on the top of the drum. Awesome. So now we need to, on the underside of the belly, just draw some lines like this. So we start and we're going to follow this line here that's already there, like that. And then we're going to do another one a bit lower, another one, another one, another one. And that is pretty much our cartoon whale finished. I'm just going to go over it with black felt tip, and then we'll see what it looks like. Our finished outline of our whale, so I've just gone over it in our felt tip, and you can see what it looks like without any colour. I'm going to quickly give it a little bit of colour and then we'll have a look. Okay, so there we have our whale finished. So I've just coloured it in with pencil crayons to have a look at what it would look like, and that is our more cartoony whale finished. So I hope you've enjoyed having a go at drawing it. So hopefully you've enjoyed having a go at drawing our whale, and if you've had a go at drawing it and you'd like to show me, please feel free to ask your parents to email it to me. My email is at the bottom in the details. And if you've got any ideas for any other tutorials, they don't have to be drawing, they can be craft related or anything you fancy. Also feel free to ask your parents to email me and I'll see if I can get them done. So until next time, keep on crafting.